Guys, how are you today? Today we are outside and we're going to do one more prop for Halloween. We are going to use the pallet and we're going to put the zombie underneath it and put chains across it. But what I want to do so people can see is I want to put it up at an angle. So I'm going to cut some sides to hold it up at an angle. And that way also when I put red lights underneath, it will really glow coming out. So we're gonna do it. Yep, that's what my goal is. Want to see how many crazy kids come? It's just the neighbors saying I want to scare the kids. All right, let's get this project going. The pallet is 30 inches across, so I'm gonna make a line on the plywood at 30. And we'll cut it there, and then we'll make a diagonal from corner to corner, and I'll have two sides exactly the same. So when we screw them into the side, it'll stay up at the exact same angle on both sides. And now we're just figuring out the angle here, and put the clamp on there, and throw some screws into the main 2x4 going across, and then split that board on the side. Just pre-drilling so I don't split the board since I'm so close to the end. Get this second side all lined up and screwed in place. Also, pre-drilling helps start those deck screws. I'm tired of that bit falling off the screw and hitting me in the finger. Just trim it off the tops. Now I'll lay the back on there to close it off. Mark where I want to cut it off, and then how wide it is also make that little mark. And we're going to cut it to length, and I'll stand it up on those two little pieces and cut the top off, and we'll screw it in place. That'll shut off the back of this little pallet. These are just scraps of plywood that I had left over from projects. And now we're just going to get the spray paint out and spray the sides and the back and the inside. A lot of black spray paint used. And now we're going to put the zombie in. We have chicken wire inside his body, because before I used to just sit on the ground and look at you. Bought these hands at the Halloween store, so I'm just going to put some screws through the wrist to hold him in place. Looks like he's trying to get out of the pallet from underneath the pallet. And then we'll put the chain in place and we'll put it on the grass. Make sure you stay at the end and watch the finished pictures. And there we go. We'll play around with the chains, and we're going to put some red lights in here to make it glow. So, quick little project. We'll put it out there, and I'll take a picture later on, and at night when it's actually glowing out there, see how it turns out. Another little quick Halloween project. See you guys later.